They're at the post, and here they come. And they're off. First away is Handsome Harry from between horses. River Shark is right there from the rail. Keep It Real toward the outside is third. From the inside, Drop Red gets away in fourth. Backing off is Real Image, looking to settle in fifth. Mysticism floated away. He's sixth on the outside. Alexi Matosi, seventh on the opening turn. Then Fox Valley South is racing in eighth. Go Solano backed off the gate and trails the field. And River Shark is out there rolling on a two-length advantage. And he cuts the quarter at 26-1. Racing in second is Handsome Harry. Keep It Real on the inside third. 2 lengths to Drop Red in fourth. Real Image is fifth as they hit the backstretch. Mysticism is racing in sixth and trying to force the cover flow. Alexi Matosi follows him seventh. At eighth is Fox Valley South. And Go Solano stacked up at the back where he trails the field. No pressure up front for River Shark. Great trip for Handsome Harry, just drafting along in that pocket spot. Keep It Real is third. Drop Red gap back. So first over on the outside is Real Image for Tim Tetrick. Mysticism looking to draft with his cover and get carried closer as they hit the half and 55-1. On the outside, Alexi Matosi third over. Now he's fourth over because Keep It Real is underway from the third spot. Fox Valley South further back. He's eighth on the inside. And Go Solano with excess cover trails the field. And River Shark leads the way. Keep It Real coming to his wheel, applying the pressure first over. Handsome Harry showing the whip in the pocket spot, racing in third. Drop Red is fourth, gapping toward the outside. Real Image, 3/4 in 1:23-4. And it's River Shark at the top of the stretch who leads it, and he's out there with a 2-length advantage. Keep It Real trying to track him down. Drop Red is angled out for Racing Room. Handsome Harry toward the rail. Mysticism fifth on the outside. River Shark is full out with a 16 to go. Keep It Real is trying to get by on the outside. River Shark, Keep It Real, one last surge. River Shark to win. Keep It Real was second, and Handsome Harry third in 1:50-3. Unofficial winner, number 2, River Shark. Second, number 6, Keep It Real. And a photo for show. Finishing third, number 4, Handsome Harry, and fourth was number 1, Drop Red. Results posted official, and back to the winner's circle is number 2, River Shark. 4-year-old gelding by 4-Star Shark out of Riverview Diamond by Life Sign. All by the El Lobo Group, Aaron Waxman, and the VIP Internet Stable.